Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone, and then after restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, then the next solution is check your Bluetooth settings. So Bluetooth, and make sure the switch is turned off. If it is already on, try turning it off and on again for 2 and 3 times. So like this. Then after this, the next solution is forget the device. So open settings, open Bluetooth, and forget the device and connect it again. So try this method, and then after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and check for update. So if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the next version. So I have the latest version here. And then after this, the next solution is reset your network settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings here, enter your passcode. So tap on reset network settings. So after this, the next solution is so after this will reset all network settings including Bluetooth, so you will need to reconnect all devices again. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.